Hello my dear students, hope you all are doing well. I am Ms. Fiza Anjum and I am going to teach you the grammar tree for class 3. So let's start with the introduction of our new book that is especially designed for class 3 and with very interesting exercises that you might like and will learn many things from these exercises. Now look at the contents of this book. There are total 29 chapters and we are going to cover 15 of them in this semester. So here are checkpoints as well. So you will learn gradually and slowly and then you will be having a test. So please pay attention on your studies. Let's move to the page number 1 for our chapter 1, that is noun, proper, common and collective. You might learn and known with this word noun, but here are some other kinds of the noun that are proper, common and collective. In this chapter we are going to cover these three type of the nouns. You have already learned in book 1 and book 2 that all things that we see around us have names. Each and everything that you have around, look around you, what you are looking. Is there any table? Is there any window? Or is there any door? Yes, of course, you might have all these things because these all are included in our noun. You are having your phone right now, so the mobile is also a noun. The words that we use as a names or a naming words are called noun. वो सारी चीज़ें जिनका हम नाम लेते हैं या जिनका अपना कोई नाम होता है उन्हें हम नाउन कहते हैं. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं टेबल, तो टेबल नाउन है. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं आसपा, आसपा नाम है. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं फिज़ा, तो फिज़ा नाम है. These all are included in noun. But what about the proper and common and collective? So today in this lecture we are going to cover only proper and a common and the difference between the proper and the common. And inshallah we will cover the collective noun in our next lecture. But make sure that you must know the definition of noun first. So let's have a photo of these things that are included in noun. These are the general terms that you use every day, like person, name, name of any person or any person. Person could be girl, boy, mom, dad, grandmother, grandpa, Mrs. John. These all are the person and these all are included noun. And what about the places? School, home, playground, zoo. These all are places and these all are as known as a noun because these all are the places, and places, animal, thing, these all are included in noun. So an animal like dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard, these are also noun. Now come to the things. Book, flower, shoes, pencil, and everything that you see around and you use every day, these all are included noun. So the second point is saying a name which we give in a general to all person, places or thing of the same kind is a common noun. जो भी हमारे हम आम कॉमन मतलब आम, कोई भी आम चीज़ या कोई भी आम जगह या फिर कोई भी आम नाम अगर हम लेते हैं तो उसे हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. अ कॉमन नाउन अनलेस इट कम्स एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस ऑलवेज. जो कॉमन नाउन होते हैं वो सेंटेंस की शुरुआत में बहुत ही कम आते हैं. When we use this term common that means that doesn't have a particular name. वो चीज़ जिसका कोई खुद का पर्टिकुलर नेम नहीं है उसे हम कॉमन कहते हैं. To understand the common noun you have to know the proper noun, then you will be know the difference between the common and proper and it will be easy for you. So let's come to point number 3. The name which we give to the particular person, place or a thing is a proper noun. वो चीज़, वो जगह, वो इंसान जिसका कोई पर्टिकुलर खुद का नाम हो उसे हम प्रॉपर नाउन कहते हैं. Now I am going to let you know the difference between the common and the proper. So here I have write two sentences. Girls want to go Karachi for picnic and Ahmed want to go park for picnic. These are the totally similar sentence but with different nouns. जो जिसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम पहले नाउन को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. जो जो नाउन है इनमें से उनको अंडरलाइन करेंगे. जस्ट लाइक गर्ल, कराची, पिकनिक, अहमद, park and picnic. These all are included noun. नाउ गर्ल्स क्या है? गर्ल्स जो है वो कॉमन नाउन है. गर्ल्स तो कोई भी हो सकती हैं, कहाँ कहीं की भी हो सकती हैं. गर्ल्स डजंट हैव अ पर्टिकुलर नेम, सो गर्ल्स आर द कॉमन नाउन. बट कम टू द सेकंड सेंटेंस, द अहमद. अहमद मीन्स कोई इंसान का जो खुद का एक नाम है. अहमद जो नाम बता रहा है, अहमद को जाना है पार्क पिकनिक के लिए, तो अहमद इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्रॉपर नेम ऑफ एनी पर्सन. एंड come to the second one, Karachi. Karachi is a proper noun because they mention the place where they want to go. उन्होंने कराची जाना है तो उन्होंने ये बताया हुआ है कि उन्होंने कराची जाना है, तो कराची is a proper noun. And the park is not a proper noun, this is a common noun because park could be any park. Park तो कोई भी हो सकता है. It doesn't describe with the name, just like Aladdin Park या फिर Sunway Park. And picnic, this is also a common noun because we don't know the what kind of picnic they are want to go, because if girls want to go picnic, we don't know the reason behind the picnic. They are going a school picnic, college picnic, or a family picnic, so this is also a common noun. And almost make sure the proper noun always begin with the capital letter followed by the small letters. Here are the some examples are written, just like Rida, Kamran, John, Tala, Salim, etc. Any name that we use before starting any sentences, we almost start with the capital letter. अगर हम कोई भी sentence लिखते हैं उसको हम capital letter से ही start करते हैं, तो उसमें से इसमें थोड़ी सी लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजन है, बट you should not be confused with any noun because noun, common and the proper, this is very simple terminology. Proper that have proper name, particular name, and the common could be general. So here is a very simple exercise. Exercise A, pick out the nouns from the following sentences and point out whether they are proper or a common. One has been done for you. Oh, so the one has been done for you, so it could be easy for you. Then how to solve it? The name of my brother is Faraz. Name is a common noun because name किसी का भी हो सकता है. Brother is a common noun because brother could be any brother. And Faraz is a proper noun because Faraz is a proper name of any person. I'm not describing every sentence because this is a